YouTubers, update on the Troopy. I've been cutting and grinding for about 2 hours now. Pick the worst side to do first. I've basically gone the whole length of the roof. And this being the worst side, it's not too bad. I've still got to take the windscreen out to do that section. But basically, from here to here is one section with the gutter in it. I'm going to have to replate that and then bring this roof panel down over the top. Pretty much all the way along. It wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was though. Mind you, I think there was about 15 cans of expander foam in there. But just nicked the back corner. I'm thinking it's going to go around further. But won't be too bad. Weld some new steel on there. Be like a ball one.